Hello, I'm Dr. Faisal Masood and I'm the Medical Director of Critical Care at Houston Methodist Hospital. I'd like to invite you to join us in Houston for the annual Critical Care Symposium. This special event will be held at Houston Methodist Research Institute in the Texas Medical Center. This one-day symposium is designed for the interprofessional critical care team. As such, you will hear diverse lectures from experts representing a wide variety of critical care topics. Then, after a morning of didactics, you will practice your new skills in expert-led hands-on workshops or breakout sessions. You will leave Houston Methodist with the confidence to apply these skills in your everyday ICU practice. For further details, visit the website. Caring for critical care patients is a team effort. So we have created this conference for the entire critical care team. So if you work or train in the ICU, this course is for you. I hope you will join us and look forward to seeing you in Houston in January. Thank you.